Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DXTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis before. That's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And for quite a while, the price was just trapped inside of this channel here. You can see the price just went up and down. But then today finally got what you would say in the world of chart patterns, a technical pattern breakout. And from there, the rest is history. A very nice follow-through move. So that brings about our first update. And that update is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right there at 24 cents, going to be that level of support that you want to see hold going forward, for the simple reason you don't want to see the price going back inside of a channel. I'm assuming that from a bullish perspective, you want to see the price making progress forward. You don't want to see the price going back to where it was, and anything below 24 cents puts the price back inside of this channel. Not exactly, a true sign of strength. In fact, I'm going to actually just use that green line down there because it doesn't really pertain anymore to the chart as it's not relevant. So instead of having a million lines everywhere, let me just use that one and talk about what I would consider the ideal level of support. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can stay up above 28 cents, that would certainly be the preferable area of support. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means is everything ruined or anything like that. You still have plenty of other supports below you, including the 24-cent mark, as we just talked about. But yeah, from a storybook perspective and what would be the biggest kind of symbolism of power on the bulls part, definitely staying up above 28 cents. From a big picture of things, though, it's all about the purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average. Yes, I realize that line's way down there, and the price is up there, but keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to move its way upwards and look something like that. So assuming you care about the big picture, the grand scheme of things perspective, and just want a very kind of cut and dry way to measure the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move. Easiest way to do that is as long as the price remains above this purple line, which again will continue to move its way upwards going forward, then the bulls are in full control. So price above the purple line, bulls fully own the chart. Bulls are in, top-notch shape, condition, however you can best visualize that in your mind. What about areas of resistance? For this, I'm going to change to the daily chart because we're going to have to go back quite a bit of ways into the chart's history, which is a good problem to have. Whoops, you can see I've done this one way before in the past. So let me get these lines out of there. So as far as the next level of resistance is concerned, that's going to be right here at that point at 41 cents. So as you can see, today's volume, biggest volume it's had in a very long time. So we'll see if this is the start of something bigger and see if the price can start to make some progress forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.